we're talking finishing tips. I want to show you my 3 favorite extra tools that I use when I'm finishing. First little guy I'm going to talk about is the littlest guy. This is the micro sander. This thing is fantastic for getting in really tight, really tiny spots. There's not a sander on the market that I have found that is as small that can get in. It's not powerful. It's not meant to be powerful, but if you have really fine details, really tight areas, this tool is an absolute lifesaver. Tool number 2 that I just found the other day actually is not necessarily the multi-tool itself, it's the sanding attachments that you can put on this thing. I was doing the dyno project and my random orbit sander was too big to get into some of those tighter areas, but I didn't want to go to a tiny amount of detail. This thing was a lifesaver. The attachment came with my tool. The sandpaper is easy to find, hook and loop anywhere. It's powerful, it's easy to use. It can get to a lot more detail than a random orbit. This thing was like the unexpected find of the year for me. If you don't have one, get it. It's like 30 bucks for the attachment. Well worth the money. My last, but certainly not my least favorite, it is my most favorite, it's why it's last and I saved the best for last, is the rotary tool with the flexible attachment. Without the attachment, it's a great little grinder, sander, fantastic. But as soon as you add in this flexible arm on there, the floodgates open. All the accessories that come with it that you can buy extra, cutting, grinding, sanding, polishing, when you add them to this flexible handle, you can get into almost anywhere possible with detail, with precision. It's got brute force and it's strong, but it's delicate enough to do the lightest jobs you have. I've had this tool for going on 20 years. It has never failed me once. It is my favorite extra finishing tool. If you don't have one, I highly recommend it. It does not need to be the name brand or the off brand, whichever one you can afford. This tool is my favorite. If you don't have one, get one. If you don't have these tools, you don't need them, but they are really nice to have around your shop. I suggest you try them. Get out there and sand some things.